I turned my profile into a magnet for clients, and I get around 75 invites every 90 days and about $7,000 a month on Upwork alone. And today I'm breaking down the steps so you can copy them. There is a shift most freelancers miss. Big clients don't post and pray. They search the talent pool and hit invites to job. If you don't show up, you don't get picked. In this video, I'll show you how to rank in those searches and stand out at a glance, and turn invites into paid contracts even though you're new to Upwork. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. First, understand how clients search. Many start with no filters, so Upwork shows a mixed bag of cheap rates, high earners, newbies, and experienced freelancers. But quality clients quickly switch to strict filters. Top rated plus, 90% plus JSS, 10K plus dollars earned, 1000 plus hours, English fluent. If you want premium invites, you need to look like a premium pig. If you don't fit those filters, don't worry. With the following simple moves, you will be closer than you think. Write down how you will beat the people currently ranking for your skill. Seriously, go peek at the top profiles you're competing with. Let's build your invite engine in 5 moves. Move 1. Chase the badge and care about your rating. The moment I hit top rated plus, the number of invitations tripled. If you're new to Upwork, focus on getting any badge, raising talent, or top rated. If you already have one, focus on your rating. Your job is to protect JSS like it's oxygen. Deliver on time, over-communicate, and be a feedback hunter. Those 5 gold stars are your ranking fuel that will lead to invites. Move 2. Sharpen your title and find your niche. Let's say you're a video editor, so using just the video editor title is vague. Pick a niche or narrow it down. For example, YouTube video production, 1 million views is laser focused. Niche titles rank better and convert faster because clients instantly know you're the right fit. Then add a short punchy first 200 characters in your overview that screams value, because that's what they see before clicking. Later I'll show you the exact mini outline I use for that first 200 characters. Don't miss it. Move 3. Add an intro video. Top freelancers use it for a reason. It shows personality, English level, and confidence in 30 seconds. Keep it tight, who you help, what outcome you deliver, and one proof point. It shouldn't be professional, but this alone can bump your profile conversion noticeably, because you stop being another faceless profile. One of my clients admitted that he chose me only because of my video and paid me over $100K over 3 years. Move 4. Toggle the available now option once you start getting invites. It doesn't cost so many connects and it's worth it. Keep in mind that it's not a magic tool. It just increases your visibility. So if you skipped the previous steps, you will be available but clients will not pick you. So if you get 5 invites per week, it can double this number, but if you get 0, it doesn't make sense to use it for now. Now we are closer to the most important part that will help you reset Upwork algorithms and get more invites. But before we continue, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm just starting out and your support motivates me to work harder on videos like this. Also, I put a free guide in the description to help you grow your freelance income. Grab it right now. If you're ready for extra support or want to be a part of a private growth club, check out my Patreon, link below. Now let's continue. Move 5. Watch the customer journey. Client scan title, first 2 characters, watch your intro video, skim portfolio, then reviews. Build your portfolio around one promise. If you're a designer, show 3 strong before-after transformations. not 12 random images. If you're a developer, show a problem-solution result for each project. Make it that simple to believe you can do their job. Move 6. Price signals. Don't undercut to get invites. Cheap looks risky, expensive ones look greedy. Aim for market average in your niche, then earn your way up by stacking public wins. So protect your schedule, over-deliver, ask for feedback, and watch your GSFs and invite rate race together. Here is the big challenge: getting to those strict filters. It might take months to earn $10K, collect reviews, and hit top rated. I get it, it wasn't easy for me either. But once you cross that line, invites feel like free inbound leads. Think of it as building a flywheel. Every great delivery creates a review, which ranks your profile higher, which creates more invites. Let's develop your profile's first 200 characters together. Use this mini outline: who you help, the specific outcome, a credibility line, and a quick CTA to watch your intro video. For example, I help YouTube channels turn raw footage into high retention videos. I deliver 48 hours edit and motion design that keeps viewers watching. Watch the 30-second intro above. That tiny block is your hook. Once you start getting invites, treat them like gold. Reply fast, ask one smart scoping question, and suggest the next step. That's how you keep the flywheel spinning. To wrap it up, earn the page, sharpen your title and narrow your niche, front-load your overview, add your intro video, toggle available now, and treat reviews like currency. Do that, and hitting thousands invites this year is realistic, not a fantasy. Want to go deeper on fixing your profile? Watch next. Why no one's hiring you? Fix your Upwork profile now.